Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see question number 5. ABD is a triangle right angled at A and AC is perpendicular to BD. Then show that first one AB square equal to BC into BD, second one AC square equal to BC into DC, and third one AD square equal to BD into CD. First let us draw the suitable diagram for this question. It is a right angle triangle. Let us name it as ABD, where right angled at A. So this place is to be given for A, and BD you can write however you want. If I write B here, I am writing D here. Now AC is perpendicular to BD. From A you draw one perpendicular, you take it as AC. AC is perpendicular to BD. Now observe the first one. Before entering that, let us write the given ABD is a triangle. ABD is a triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So clearly it is a right angled triangle. Also given AC is perpendicular to BD. AC is perpendicular to BD. Now to prove, first bit is AB square equal to BC into BD. BC into BD. Second one AC square equal to BC into DC. BC into DC. And third one AD square equal to BD into CD. BD into CD. These three are there to be proved. Now let us enter proof. Here let us observe each of these bits carefully. Here you see AB square, nothing but AB into AB. Here you see, you just imagine that you are walking AB and again on AB. BC into BD, BC and then BD. Here you observe this AB into AB. First time you say AB and then you say BC. Second time you say this remaining AB with BD. Here don't be confused. I repeat, AB square, mentally you think that is AB into AB. So 2 times AB is there into AB. 2 times means again you may think 2 into AB. That is not 2 into AB. AB into AB is equal to BC into BD. One AB you compare with BC, another AB compare with BD. Clear? One AB compare with BC, that means AB BC. That means you are covering this first triangle AB BC. Second time remaining AB with BD, AB and BD, AB and BD. That means here you see again you divide this one as the father triangle, first son and second son. To get the first bit, we need to show first son is similar to father. How do we know that? Here you see AB square. You just imagine that, as I told you, AB into AB is equal to BC into BD. One AB compares BC, AB BC. Another AB with BD, AB BD. Clear? That means here we need to take triangles, first triangle and the whole triangle, or in simple words, first son with father. So here I am taking the triangles from, first one is ACB, from triangle ACB, and another triangle we should take the whole triangle or father triangle, that can be taken as DAB, or we can say BAD, both are same. Triangle BAD or you can write DAB also, okay, however you want, you can, no problem, BAD, right. Because your angle A is 90 degrees, that is to be kept exactly in the middle, nothing more than that. Now here let us compare these two. So better we can draw one small triangle. This is the son one, first son, and this bigger triangle, this is father, right. Now your son is ACB, in which C is 90. So here let us give this position for C and ACB, right. If you observe carefully, in ACB and DAB, let us write DAB only, not to get confused, it will be easy even for explanation also. DAB, if you observe carefully, in ACB and DAB you are covering angle B completely, that is common angle. Let us write common angle here, right. And in the smaller triangle, B place is given, C place is given, leftover one is A, let us write here. So ACB over. In this DAB, B is given as it is common angle and D is 90 degrees, sorry, A is 90 degrees, let us give this place for A, and remaining D I am going to write here. So our target is to prove these two are similar. As we know, angle B is common and angle C equal to angle A equal to 90 degrees each. By area similarity, both are similar. Let us write step by step clearly. In this angle B is equal to, in the triangle also angle B, in the triangle angle B, this is common angle. This is common pair of angles. Same way, in the small triangle angle C, in the big triangle angle A is equal to 90 degrees each. This can be taken as another pair. So we can write by AA, angle, similarity criterion. Similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ACB is similar to triangle DAB. So their corresponding sides are in proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. So here we can take the corresponding sides as AB by BD. AB by BD is equal to AC by AD. AC by AD is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. Now here you observe which one is repeated, means one value is there, one side is there, it occurs two times. Here you see AB, again here AB, right. Remaining all are only one time. BD again one time only, AC is one time, AD one time, BC one time. Only AB and AB getting repeated. So let us make these two equal. Let us make this first ratio and third ratio, let them equal, and we can skip off this middle one. No need to write. So let us do cross multiplication. AB into AB is, or for your understanding I am writing here one more step. AB by BD is equal to BC by AB. Now let us do cross multiplication. AB into AB is AB square is equal to BC into BD. That is what here required. BC into BD, right? So with this first bit gets completed. This first bit over. Now we are going to prove this second bit. Here let us understand second one. AC square, you just in your means mentally in your mind you write AC square, AC into AC. One AC compare with BC, another AC compare with DC. Here you see AC with BC, again AC with DC. That means you are taking first son and second son. These are the corresponding sides. I repeat, AC square, mentally you think that is AC into AC. So one AC compare with BC, AC with BC. That means you are taking triangle ACB. At the same time another AC with DC, AC with DC. That means here you are getting a chance to compare these two triangles. That means first son with second son. That is what I have told you. This comparison is a little bit difficult. Instead of that, we can compare easily first son with father, means first son is similar to father. Same way if you prove second son is similar to father, then we can say first son and second son both are similar. So let us keep this second one as a pending. Let us complete the next bit. Let us go for the next bit. AD square. So I am doing third bit. AD square. AD into AD. One AD link with BD, another AD link with CD. So here you see AD with BD. That means you covered full triangle, means father triangle over. Another one AD with CD. AD with CD, second son. Here you see this problem, that especially this bit, it has a relation with the second son triangle to the father triangle. So let us complete this third bit first. Means at this position, third bit we are going to complete now. So here I am going to compare second son with father. Second son means second triangle, that is triangle. Here we can say ACD, triangle ACD, or we can say DCA, from triangle DCA, and another triangle is DAB, triangle DAB. So let us compare second son with the father. Right. Now let us separate them. He is second son and he is father. Right. Let us see which is common. Second son is DCA. Just imagine you are moving in DCA. Again then DAB. Observe carefully, you are covering angle D completely both the times. So here angle D is common. So I am giving this place for D. Right. Now in second triangle, angle C is 90. This is 90. Whereas in bigger triangle, angle A is 90. Now here leftover alphabets. In DC, DC given, A is left. So I am completing this one with A. Here in DAB, D over A1 of B is left. I am writing here B. Now let us compare here these two triangles. Angle D and angle D is common angle here. So we can write angle D is equal to angle D. This is since common. As these are pair of angles, I am writing A. Next, in this angle C is equal to, in this angle A is equal to 90 degrees each. This is also another pair of angles. So we can write by angle similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. We can say that triangle DCA is similar to triangle DAB. That means second son similar to father. Now here when two triangles are similar, we know that their corresponding sides are proportional. Let us take the corresponding sides now. DA, or we can write AD, right? AD by BD. AD by BD is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB is equal to DC. We can write CD also. CD by AD. CD by AD. Again you find it out which one is repeated. Here AD is there, again here AD is there. Whereas remaining all do not repeat at all. You see BD, no more, one more BD is not there. AC is only one time, AB one time, CD one time. So again as usual, like earlier only, we are going to compare only these two ratios. So here I am writing AD by BD. It is AD by BD. Right. AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. On cross multiplication, AD into AD is AD square is equal to BD into CD. BD into CD. BD into CD. You compare the third one. AD square equal to BD into CD. So here this one, third one is also proved. This is third bit, that is proved. Now we are here to prove only second one is left. Right? First one is proved here. Third bit is proved here. First one is done by comparing first triangle with the whole triangle. Third one is done comparing second triangle with the whole triangle. Now this is the time we enter the second bit. Here you see from triangle. Now I am going to compare first sun with second sun, means first triangle and second triangle. So here let us write the triangles now. This is triangle ACB and triangle. First one is ACB, second one is DCA. DCA. So here let us draw small triangles. This is first sun, this is second sun, right? Let us write here what is to be given. In both the triangles angle C is 90. So here C is 90, C is 90, right? Now here in this ACB, if you write A here, do not write A here because A is not common. A should be written here. Now here ACB, here it is DCA, DCA, right? Now here you can write that clearly, triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA. Here, since, how do we say? Because DCA is similar to father triangle, same as means whole triangle, ACB is also similar to whole triangle. So here you can take this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. This is equation number 2. So here from 1 and 2, we can say directly that these two triangles are similar because this triangle is similar to the whole triangle. At the same time, this triangle also similar to the whole triangle. Then absolutely these two triangles are also similar to each other. Now here let us write the same. Now when two triangles are similar, as you know, their corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are in proportion, or you can write they are proportional, both are same. So here let us take their corresponding sides. Here if we take AB by here AD comes, AD is equal to here AC by DC, AC by DC I am writing as CD is equal to BC by AC, BC by AC. Here you see what is repeated here. AB only one time, AD only one time, AC two times, BC one time, CD one time. As AC two times, let us compare only these two ratios. So here let us leave it, right? AB by AD is not required. Now here you see only let us take this one. So I am writing once again here AC by CD is equal to BC by AC, right? Now here CD can be written as DC also. CD can be written as DC also. CD and DC both are same. Let us do cross multiplication. AC into AC. This is AC square is equal to BC into DC. Let us write the same BC into DC. So you compare this one with the second bit now. What is the second bit? AC square equal to BC into DC. AC square equal to BC into DC. So with this second bit also gets completed. So if you observe carefully, by comparing first triangle with the whole triangle, first bit gets completed. Now by comparing second triangle with the whole triangle, third bit gets completed. At the same time, since these two triangles are similar to the same whole triangle, when you compare first triangle and second triangle, with that second bit also gets completed. So finally here all the three bits gets completed. With this problem, fifth one is completed.